Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun, where we learn to become data center engineers while having a good time. Today's lesson: how the entire internet agrees to talk. A peek at BGP. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun. Ever stop to think about how you instantly connect with a website halfway across the world? It's mind-boggling, right? We're talking billions of devices, trillions of messages, all finding their way. Today, we're peeking behind the curtain at one of the asterisk superheroes of the internet, BGP. Get ready to unravel how the entire global network agrees to talk without chaos. You know your home router? It's amazing at finding devices inside your house. But that's like knowing how to get from your kitchen to your bedroom. The internet is way bigger. Imagine trying to navigate from your house to a friend's house in a totally different city, or even country. We need something much more powerful than your home router for that kind of journey. So, the internet isn't just one giant network. It's actually a collection of thousands of smaller, independently managed networks. We call these autonomous systems, or ASs for short. Think of them as individual countries, big cities, or even entire companies like Google, your ISP, or Netflix. Each AS gets a unique number, like an international country code. How do all these distinct countries agree on how to send traffic to each other? That's where BGP comes in. Ta-da! This is BGP, or the Border Gateway Protocol. It's the standard protocol that allows all these different ASs to exchange routing information. Essentially, BGP acts like the internet's ultimate international postal service or a super smart global GPS system. It doesn't just tell you a way to get somewhere. It helps networks figure out the best way to get their data packets to any destination on the internet, taking into account tons of factors. So, how does BGP actually work? Imagine ASs gossiping. Each AS tells its neighboring ASs, "Hey, I know how to reach this block of IP addresses." Or, if you want to talk to AS 64512, "My neighbor, come through me." This isn't just a simple, "I know a path." BGP is all about trustworthiness and policy. It's like a network of international travel agents constantly updating each other on the best routes, potential delays, and even special deals. Here's where BGP gets really clever. Unlike internal routing protocols that often just pick the asterisk shortest path, BGP is a path vector protocol. It looks at a bunch of different attributes associated with a route, like where the route originated, how many ASs it passed through, the AS_path, or even policies set by the network operator. It's like choosing a flight. You don't always pick the one with the fewest miles, right? You might choose one with fewer layovers, a preferred airline, or a cheaper ticket. BGP does this, but for data packets. So, why is BGP so important? Because it gives each internet country AS control. They can decide how their traffic leaves and enters their network. This allows for incredible flexibility, resilience, and efficiency. If one path goes down, BGP helps other networks quickly find an alternative. Without BGP constantly negotiating and agreeing on paths, the internet would be a chaotic mess. A bunch of isolated islands unable to communicate. It's truly the backbone of global connectivity. And there you have it. You've just taken your first step into understanding BGP, the unsung hero that keeps the entire internet flowing smoothly. It's a complex topic, but hopefully, you now have a fun, friendly grasp of why it's so essential. Next time you stream a video or send a message, give a little nod to BGP, silently making all those connections happen. Keep learning, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.